Hi everyone, I'm John. Today I'm very excited to introduce our new front engine coach, Yutong D12. It's a reliable partner tailored for Africa roads and long-distance operations. Yutong D12 is 12 meters long, 2.6 meters wide, and 3.95 meters high. It offers 3 seating configurations: 56 plus 1, 52 plus 1, and 64 plus 1, with optional mid-door or non-mid-door designs, so it fits exactly what your operation needs. For engine power, 5 options are available: 360, 325, and 300 horsepower Euro 2, plus 340 and 375 horsepower Euro 3, making sure it handles all kinds of roads and driving styles. In design, the D12 is all new from the ground up. It features fresh front and rear wall styling, LED headlights and ambient light strips, plus dynamic flowing turn signals on the rear and optional blue or dynamic ambient lights on the side, making it stand out at night. Inside, 7-mode ambient lighting paired with integrated lighting on the luggage racks ties everything together in style. The premium rabbit ear electric rear view mirrors aren't just good looking, they are functional too. For reliability, we didn't cut corners. The D12 uses the same anti-corrosion process as premium luxury cars. 15 electrocoating processes and 5 layers of paint keep the top coat bright and color fast for 6 years, even in humid, coastal, high salt and high temperature environments. Its main structure resists structural corrosion for 10 years. Wiring layout is clear and logical, with waterproof sensors and connectors from brands like Bosch and AMP to extend the vehicle's profitable lifespan. We optimize comfort specifically for Africa. The driver gets a redesigned dashboard, larger storage space, and an air suspension seat with ventilation to reduce fatigue. Passenger seats are ergonomic, soft yet supportive, even on long trips. And the whole cabin stays within just 1 degree Celsius temperature difference from driver zone to passenger zone. Safety is built up. The D12 adopts a high-strength steel closed-ring body structure. Using 700 megapascal steel, 3 times stronger than regular steel, standard front and rear disc brakes provide shorter braking distance and time, more stable performance, and effectively reduce thermal degradation during long downhill driving. Standard 3-way monitoring provides real-time interior and exterior surveillance for safer and worry-free operation. In terms of space, the luggage compartment is now 13.5 cubic meters, easily accommodating more luggage. Besides, the through-type luggage compartment with dual-side doors are for easy loading. A 1910mm interior height and 480mm aisle width mean everyone moves freely. The D12 is backed by a 2-year or 200,000 kilometers warranty and supported by over 110 Yutong service staff across Africa, here for you 24/7, 365 days a year with fully transparent support. With its fresh look, added comfort, and top-tier safety, Yutong D12 is to provide efficient and reliable solutions for Africa. That's Yutong D12, in Africa, for Africa.